Pure Swansea against Evans and Williams. Evans and Williams are top of the league. Pure Swansea are currently third. We've got 2 games in hand over them and they're 6 points ahead, so there's a big 6-pointer today. But 2 very good teams. The pitch will hold out and they'll make for an excellent game and one we're all looking forward to. Pure Swansea overtook Swansea University in the summer and had a rebrand to what is now Pure Swansea. But Swansea University is a team that's performed in the Welsh Leagues for the last 14 years. We've still got 2 players here at the moment, Jordan and Ollie, who were here during their university days, and they were part of the Cymru South winning team back 4 or 5 years ago. That's probably something that would frustrate a lot of people in Swansea, is there was a team in the city that were good enough to play in Tier 1, and due to not having a licence weren't able to do that. So I think for us as a club is to build something for the city where a team can represent our city, Swansea City, in Tier 1 and potentially Europe like Haverfordwest have done. I think in 5 years what they've done there, it shows that there is a possibility for clubs to step up the pyramid, and we have ambitions to match that in the next sort of 10 years. The last 2 years in this league we finished 4th and 3rd, so we were already a strong team in the league. But obviously with the rebrand and it still being a Swansea-based club, there's lots of people want to get involved. Previously there was a misconception that to play for Swansea University you had to be a student, and for a period of time that was the rule, whereas now there's no restraint on that. That's how we're able to sign people like Trundle.
Wow, look at that young. I'm part owner of the Pure complex in Swansea, so then obviously when I was leaving surveilling it felt natural to come across here, and coming across to a football club that want to go places as well and move on. I didn't want to go somewhere where you're just going to be in a team where you just expect to finish mid-table or just push along. I wanted to go somewhere where you're going to challenge, and the squad that we've got in here, the manager Jack with his ideas and how he wants to move the club forward, it was a project that I looked at and thought I wanted to be a part of.
Un yw Lewis Brooks ar ein chwarae ar y asgell. Ni di dechrau tomau bach yn gwael, ni di colli 2 gêm cantaf, ond ers hynny ni di gythio ymlaen a gweithio gyda'i gilydd i ennill fwy o gemau, i cael fwy o pwyntiau, i trio ennill y tymor yma.
Historically, Swansea University and in Pure Swansea, we've been known to have poor starts. And with it being a new club, it was obviously people are unsure what they were going to get here, and it was a bit nervous for the boys. They didn't know where they were playing in the summer until it was confirmed.
But obviously the goal is to try and get promoted. We know that's tough, there is some strong teams in this league, but I think you've got to believe in your own ability and the squad that you've got, and with the lads that we've got here, we've got some great young talent, and I believe come the end of the season we will be in with a shout.
So gafodd y clwb ei ffurfio yn 1960, hen wagon works oedd e'n Llanelli. Albi Evans oedd un o'r perchnogwyr, so dyna pam mae ni'r cyfenw Albis. Tymor i mynd yn dda, dim ond i colli 1 gêm, ni'n colli fan hyn ar y foment, so sy'n siŵr fe mae heddi mynd i fynd, ond ffili gofyd am lot mwy mas o'r boys.
There's a lot of football to be played. I think we're only halfway through the season, and with the weather like it is today, it's only going to get longer. There's lots of twists and turns, and I think, they say Evans Williams are a great community club in Llanelli in the Carmarthenshire area. Morrison have recruited really well. Penrith Khyber are up there. We also got Portadown up the valley, who are also in contention.
I just think it's something that I've done all my life, and if I'm being honest, it's where I get my most enjoyment when I'm out on the pitch. 49 now, getting on a little bit, but it's great to be around the younger lads as well in the dressing room, passing some knowledge on, helping them in the game.
Dwi'n credu mae rhywun, mae pawb yn edrych ymlaen i chwarae gyda. Mae gael rôl model ni wedi chwarae yn blynyddoedd a mae'n rhaid i chwarae gyda fe.
That's really important for us as a club to grow, is that we do have a ground with our own identity and somewhere that we can sort of call home. But I think it's really important that we get somewhere that, we can start having a fan base come and support us, somewhere our academy kids can play, somewhere our women's and youth team can play as well. I think for us to be able to grow organically and get to where we want to go, which is potentially Tier 1 in the next 5 to 6 years, we need to build a home and a base that we can call home, and I think 2027, 2028 is the year we're going to sort of aim to do that.
Full credit to Evans and Williams, they were there and thereabouts, so they're just probably unlucky not to create something to get a goal. But we're chatting, that's only our 3rd clean sheet of the season, so we're really impressed with that. still closing the gap. They're still top. There's still lots of football to be played. So as much as that is a massive result for us, you know, it's not one that's going to define our season. The objective of the club this year is to try and get out of tier 3 and into tier 2 and play in the Cymru South next year. And for us, as we spoke about earlier on, it's all about trying to get a Swansea-based club sort of at the highest level of football in the Welsh Pyramid, and hopefully that can be us at Pure Swansea.